Okay, I am ready to start weaving with the regular yarn. And what I have here is just a piece from a cereal box that I cut out. I'm going to insert it here, not only to make sure I have the ends even, but also to allow enough spacing for the fringe if I wanted the scarf when I'm finished. So I did end up on the opposite side this time. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to bring it to the down position, and I'm going to run the shuttle through, and I'm not going to pull it tight. Actually, I want to loosely measure and make sure that I have at least 3 lengths of the yarn left. I'll explain that in just a minute. I want to make 3 passes across. Getting a little tight here. We're going to have to wind it down in just a minute. All right. All right. Maybe one more across, and then we will go ahead and secure the ends here, because I do need to unwind the yarn. Okay. In order to make it easier on myself, when I finish the scarf and unwind it, I want to be able to just cut the threads. I don't want to have to stop and loosely tie these things up. So that's the reason we left all of this length on here. What I'm going to use is embroidery needle. It's plastic. It has a great big head, which makes threading it easier. And what I can do, might want to come a little bit closer in here. I want to take this and come under the first, hang on. Okay, because I have 50 threads, 50 warp threads, I'm going to end up with 2 sets of 3 and the rest 4. So I'm going to try to make it even. I'll take the first 3 here and come through. I'm going to come back around these. So that it knots on itself. Going to come up in the space here, 1, 2, 3 rows, come into the weaving. This time I'm going to pick up 4. Come back under the same 4 and through. In this way, you have already created the ends of your weaving. Now you can do smaller groups if you like. I'm coming up again, 1, 2, 3, into the weaving here and under my next 4. I'm going to continue this across. So that at the end, it will already be done. When we get to the end of the next shawl. I've already filmed actually a scarf that I did previous to this. I went ahead and filmed that so that I could get through this series a little more quickly with you. I will post a picture of this scarf, however, on the blog when it's finished. And I will actually post several different scarves that will be out of different yarns. The one that you will see at the end of this tape is actually hand spun, so it is not going to be perfectly consistent like this yarn is, which is machine milled at a factory. So hang on, come back. The next episode on Crafter Days will include finishing up your scarf. Have fun with it. Send me a letter if you have any question. I will be glad to answer anything that I can. Thank you and have a great week.